friends, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a chocolate covered strawberry cold brew. This was a really popular drink back in February. I believe Starbucks had it. I don't know if it was like a secret menu item or a regular item, but yeah, I'm going to be teaching you how to make that at home. The only difference is I'm not going to be doing cold foam. I'm going to be doing strawberry whipped cream just because I feel like it's going to be a little thicker, a little more rich, and just more yummy. Because I mean, if you're drinking a chocolate covered strawberry drink, I think you would want it to be pretty rich and indulgent, so that's what we're going to be doing. So let's get into it. I already prepped my strawberries. Well, kind of. I mean, I still have stuff to do to them, but I have like 7 strawberries in here, and I just cut all the tops off. And this is, once again, my Ninja bullet. But any blender works. We just want these strawberries to be as smooth as possible. So let's blend it. Okay, so now our strawberries are blended. You can choose to strain this if you'd like. I'm not going to because I don't have a fine mesh strainer other than my reusable Chemex filter, but I don't want to strain it. It's really smooth as it is, so yeah. But if you want to strain it, you're more than welcome to. Okay, so the next step is to make the whipped cream. So you can do however much you want of this. I'm not actually going to measure anything, which, you know, actually I will measure it.
I don't know why I didn't want to measure things during this video. The ratio is a half cup of cream to 2 tablespoons of strawberry puree. Also, frozen strawberries will work for this. Yeah, fresh is preferable, but if you don't have that, frozen works too.
So I have some heavy whipping cream right here. So we're going to take a half cup of heavy whipping cream and just put it right in there. And then, I'm really not going to measure this. We're not going to use all of the strawberry juice though. I just put that many in there so it would blend well. But I'm going to use probably about half of this. So I used about half of that strawberry juice. And now we're just going to whisk this. And I'm going to zoom you in on the bowl so you can see what's happening. So our cream is all whipped. It's not very thick whipped cream. We still want it to be pretty loose because we're going for that cold foam type of consistency where it'll still melt into the drink. You don't want it to be like stiff peaks or anything like that. You can also do this with a stand mixer or like a electric hand mixer, but doing it by hand works just as well. So
If you are using an electric mixer for this though, just make sure you really watch it because you do want it to be a looser consistency.
now we're going to assemble our drink. So I just have this, I think it's a 16-ounce glass. You can do whatever size you want obviously, but this is the cup that I'm using. So I'm going to start off with my homemade chocolate mocha sauce. I can teach you guys how to make this in a video. If you'd like to see that, please leave a comment down below. Super easy, but I'm just gonna take, I don't know, a healthy spoonful of this and put it into the bottom of my cup. Alright, and it's okay if it stays on the spoon because we're gonna mix that in with the cold brew. And the next thing I want to do is I want to add just a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit of this strawberry puree into the drink. So there we go. That's probably half a tablespoon of that strawberry puree. Now I have my cold brew. You can learn how to make that in my last video, and I'll leave that linked up in the corner. But we're just gonna fill this about halfway up with the cold brew. And then we're just gonna stir it together. Now, if you don't want the strawberry puree in your coffee, that's totally okay. You can skip that step and just have it on top, but I thought it'd be fun to have it both in the coffee and on top. Okay, so now that our coffee is all mixed up, you can see it got way more opaque in color because of the chocolate sauce and strawberry puree. We're going to fill this probably about up to here with ice. Okay, so now that this has ice in it, we're just gonna top it with our strawberry whipped cream. And then we're going to put a drizzle of our mocha sauce on there. Opposite direction, we're going to do a strawberry drizzle. And there is our cold foam, well, chocolate covered strawberry cold brew. Let's give it a try. That's so good. It is perfect. I like that it's a darker cold brew. I used these Sumatra beans in them, which have notes of chocolate and caramel already, so it's perfect. I wouldn't use like a lighter roast for this particular purpose, but yeah. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you try this drink, tag me in it on Instagram, which is linked down below. It's kind of a long username, so it's my name, but it's like all spread out. So anyways, I hope you all have a nice day. Bye.